If you're looking to optimize ad sizes for cross-platform advertising, using AdCreative AI is one of the smartest moves you can make. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to use this incredible tool to ensure your ads perform well across different platforms, from social media to websites, while saving you time and effort. Stick around till the end because I'm going to show you how to get an exclusive and extended free trial to AdCreative AI. So let's dive right in. When it comes to cross-platform advertising, one of the biggest challenges is making sure your ads look great everywhere. The ad sizes and formats differ from platform to platform, and trying to manually adjust each one is time-consuming and inefficient. That's where AdCreative AI comes in. This tool automatically generates optimized ad creatives that are tailored for different platforms, making sure your content looks perfect everywhere you run ads. Using AdCreative AI to optimize your ad sizes is incredibly simple. First, you input your ad's primary message and the platform you want to target, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Google, LinkedIn, or any other ad platform. AdCreative AI will analyze this information and generate the right ad creative in the optimal size for each platform. It even adjusts for things like image dimensions, aspect ratios, and even the recommended text length. No need to manually tweak each format. But that's not all. AdCreative AI also uses artificial intelligence to make sure your creatives aren't just the right size, but they're also designed to grab attention and drive results. Whether it's for a sales campaign or brand awareness, it generates creatives based on best practices to make sure you're getting the most out of your budget. This tool also has built-in analytics, so you can track how your ads are performing across platforms. If something isn't working well, you can use that data to quickly adjust your creatives, ensuring that you're always on top of your campaigns and getting the best ROI possible. One of the key features that makes AdCreative AI so powerful is its ability to generate variations of your ads. You can A/B test different designs and messaging, all without lifting a finger. The AI will do the heavy lifting, saving you the time and effort of constantly creating new versions manually. Plus, it does all of this in a matter of seconds. Now, let's talk about how you can get started with this amazing tool. You can use AdCreative AI completely free with our exclusive bonuses through the link below. If you're serious about optimizing your ad sizes and increasing the effectiveness of your campaigns across multiple platforms, this is an opportunity you don't want to miss. Remember, AdCreative AI not only helps with optimizing ad sizes, but also ensures your creatives are designed to boost performance. It's an all-in-one solution that's perfect for both beginners and seasoned marketers. So, if you want to take your ad campaigns to the next level, make sure to click the link below to get your extended free trial. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out the link for that exclusive free trial and start optimizing your ads with AdCreative AI today.